Good morning, people. It's another day with me and this flat guy. His name is Stanley. So we go now, Stanley. Yes! What do you want to do first, Stanley? Well, Stanley, what do you want to do first? Well, I can only do one thing first, and that's watch a little bit of the morning TV. You heard that? Stanley wants to watch a little bit of TV. So let's go! Na 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 na. Sorry for my music. Alright, Stanley, are you ready? Yay! Stanley, you want to sit down? Yes! Here you go. I think your flat days are very hard. You can sit down there while I open the TV.
Turn on the TV.
Come on, Stanley, let's just have a good time. Yeah, this will take a second. It's boring, right, Stanley? Yes, it's boring waiting.